Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today is the end of my 1000k subscriber celebration, and what it was is to turn in an ATC card with your info and stuff like that I had on here. I had 4 wonderful entries, but with the holidays it was kind of busy, so I probably redo this again later in the year, so keep an eye on that. But I was going to have 2 winners for this celebration, but since I had the 4 ladies go ahead and enter, what I want to do to show you my appreciation is I want to give all of you a gift card, or either a PayPal card or Amazon card, whichever way you prefer. So make sure you go ahead and send me a message. I will have my email in the description, so you can send me your info and let me know how would you like your $25, whether PayPal or would you like an Amazon e-card. But yeah, let me know. And I want to say I really appreciate it that you entered, and I will be doing this again probably in the spring when it's a little less busy, right before summer, so keep an eye out for that. But with all the ladies who enter, thank you, and I love everything that you guys made for me. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.